In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit template on ClickUp, step by step. Welcome, and let's dive right in. Editing a template in ClickUp is a smart way to tailor your workspace to your exact needs, whether you're managing complex projects or organizing personal tasks. The goal is to start with a solid foundation and then customize it so it reflects your workflow, your language, and the details that matter to you. Begin inside your workspace and navigate to the list you want to work with. On the left side of your screen, next to your list name, open the list settings. You'll see a menu icon with 3 dots. Click that to open the drop-down. From here, choose Browse Templates. This is the library where all the templates live, including what you've used before and what ClickUp provides out of the box. Once the template library opens, select Quick Use. This makes it fast to preview and apply what you want without extra setup steps. You'll notice there are a lot of options available. Pick a template that suits your scenario. For this walkthrough, I'm choosing something personal and easy to visualize, an apartment hunting template. You can follow along with any template you like. The mechanics are the same. When prompted for how to apply it, choose to add it as a list so you get a clean, dedicated place to work. With your new list created, you're ready to edit. This is where all the customizing happens. Start by adding a task. Click Add Task, give it a clear, descriptive name, and include details that will be useful later. For instance, I'll add a new task for a potential apartment address. Once you've added the details, click Save. Remember, this is just an example. Your fields and required inputs will depend on the template you chose, and that's perfectly fine. Now, take a look at the fields in the task. Many templates include drop-downs or preset menus to guide your edits, which helps prevent errors and keeps your data consistent. In my case, I need to choose an apartment type, so I'll open the drop-down and select Duplex. This kind of structure is one of the biggest benefits of ClickUp templates. They anticipate your needs with defaults and suggestions. If a template gives you a dash or placeholder field, click it to see whether a menu appears. Often, you'll find curated, preset options ready to go. Continuing with the apartment example, I'll open the Features field and pick several items from the provided list: garden, pool, hardwood floors, and fireplace. ClickUp lets you add multiple values where it makes sense, and that makes it easy to stay thorough. If you don't see what you need, you can type a custom value manually, so the template still conforms to your preferences. The mix of guided choices and manual input makes these templates both structured and flexible. At any point, you can switch views to work the way you like. I'll switch to the board view to review my tasks as cards. This can make grouping, prioritizing, and spotting gaps much easier. If your template includes sections or statuses, this view can help you refine them visually so your process is crystal clear. Next, I'll add assignees to a task. This is useful if you're collaborating. Say you're running a real estate team, or you're delegating tasks to family members helping with the search. Assigning owners clarifies responsibility and keeps everyone aligned. If you're working solo, you can still assign tasks to yourself to take advantage of filters and reporting later. Let's also adjust a priority level. Open the priority field and set it to high for anything that needs fast action. Priorities are especially helpful when your list grows and you want a quick way to decide what moves first. Between assignees, priorities, and the structured fields, your template starts feeling like a custom system rather than a generic list. A quick reminder, your edits are always dependent on the template you picked. Some templates have robust drop-downs and status workflows. Others may be minimal with just a few fields. Use what's there to get a head start, and don't hesitate to add notes or custom values where needed. The idea is to shape the template to your process, not the other way around. As you continue, repeat the same approach across other tasks in the list. Add new entries, pick from the preset options when they help, and type in your own values when you want something specific. Save as you go so nothing gets lost. Over time, you'll discover which fields you consistently use and which ones you can ignore or simplify. That's part of the beauty of templates. They're meant to evolve with your workflow. And that's the full pass, from browsing and applying a template to opening the list, adding tasks, using drop-downs and suggestions, switching views, assigning owners, and setting priorities. You now have everything you need to edit a ClickUp template with confidence, whether you're managing a personal project or running a team process. If this walkthrough helped you get comfortable editing templates in ClickUp, make sure you don't miss future tutorials. Hit subscribe, give this video a like, and feel free to share it with someone who could use a clearer process. Thanks for watching, and happy template editing!